All right, guys, I just want to show you another product down here that we got on Amazon. It's the rear back seat protector. This goes on the new Ford Broncos. On Amazon, this thing was like 57 bucks or something like that. We've used it and it's held up really, really well. Just like the floor liner, it matches that. So we got that one from Amazon as well. This stuff is really nice. It protects the back of your seats and it's super easy to install or remove. There's just Velcro on the back. It sticks right on, and then this piece goes on the lower part of the back seat. So this is what your back seats look like stock. And you know how annoying it is to clean this fabric on the back of a seat. If you have a dog, especially, get dog hair, dirt, stuff back there. So these things are great because they protect that fabric and you can rip them off and clean them really easily. So it's going to show you a real quick shot of how easy it is to install.
We'll install this back liner first. It's really just lining up the child seat straps. Kind of working all that Velcro down. That's the back side. And like so.
And like All right, that's all there is to it. Now the back seats are nice and protected. All right, so I just wanted to mention that specifically for the Badlands model, they market it as washout, where it's all like marine grade everything and you can just, hose everything out. This is the only area that has carpet. So with these installed on here, if you're gonna throw in wet crap, dogs, towels, whatever, it doesn't get rid of the carpet, of course, but it helps protect it and makes it a little more washout friendly.